Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. For those of you who do not know me, hi, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by today. Today I'm going to be doing a face-off video with Chelsea J. Murray, and I am so excited to do this video. I've been watching her videos for, I want to say about 4 or 5 months now. Maybe a little longer, because I started watching them before I came back to YouTube. She was somebody that I enjoyed watching just because she's a very kind of calm individual, and just her talent is unreal. If you have not checked out her channel, I highly recommend it. I think she deserves so many more subscribers than she has, just because the makeup looks she creates are just insane. Which leads me to the video that we are creating together. We are going to be doing a face-off video, and we are using the Makeup Revolution and Tammi palette. This is the Tropical Carnival shadow palette, which looks like this. It is such a beautiful palette, you guys, and one from Makeup Revolution that I'm kind of impressed with. So we're going to be using this. We are going to be doing a face-off, and now there's something a little bit different about our face-off. We kind of took a different twist, if you will. So instead of just randomly picking all the shades, we each got to pick 2 shades, and then I let her pick the last random shade so that we had 5 shades to use for this look. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch the shades for you guys, just so you guys can see what shades we either picked, and I'll let you know which one she picked. I'm gonna start with hers. So the first shade that she picked is gonna be Calypso, that green shimmer shade. That's what that looks like. Then we have Bacchanal, which is this very pretty kind of blue teal kind of matte shade. Now moving on to the shades that I picked. We're gonna go into Pink Panther, which is that beautiful pink matte, and then Jab Jab, which is the black shade right there. And then our random shade is Soca, which is this beautiful kind of like lavender, lavender shimmer shade. So we have 2 shimmers and 3 mattes. I am so excited to see what Chelsea creates with these shades, and I am so excited to see what I create with these shades, because I haven't really planned anything out in depth. I've kind of been looking at the shades for a little bit now, and I was like, I don't know what I want to do. So we're gonna have some fun. Her channel and her video will be linked in the description box down below. I highly recommend going to check her out, because she is just very, very talented, and I'm kind of nervous because, well, she's probably gonna beat me today because she's got some skill. The first thing I'm going to do is take some washi tape, and I'm going to apply it to the outer corners of my eyes. Okay, so once I have that washi tape on, the next thing I'm going to use is the Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas in Halo. This is, of course, the white one. And I'm going to apply that all over my lid. Gotta get some of the excess off. I really like using this base with Makeup Revolution shadows. I don't know, it was definitely formulated around kind of using their formula for it, and I think it works really, really well. The only thing is, sometimes you do have to kind of let this dry down a bit. It's part of the reason that I take a beauty sponge and kind of dab it out before I use it, or before I like work with shadows and things on top of it. So that's kind of what I'm gonna do here. So now that that's done, I think I'm gonna go into this shade right here. This is Jab Jab. And I'm going to start working with that and then work with the other colors as I kind of create the look I want. I'm going to take this. This is an e.l.f. I already put some of the shadow on it, but this is an e.l.f. eye crease brush. And these are just very, very small. They're perfect for kind of like detail. I don't really use them for my crease too much. But basically what I'm going to do is kind of map out the shape that I want this black shade to have before I go in and blend it out. Okay, so now that that's kind of done, I'm going to go in with just a fluffy brush and I'm going to kind of start blending out the edges of that black shade. Kind of faded it down to kind of a nice kind of cool gray tone. If you do want it deeper, you could go in with more black, but I kind of like how that. So what I'm gonna do next is go in with the shade Pink Panther. And I'm gonna run it just above that kind of gray. Kind of blend it in with that gray shade. I'm definitely going for a more kind of graphic look. Than something completely wearable. I mean, I'd wear this out, but I know not everyone would, and that is totally fine. So then I'm gonna go in with that same fluffy brush that I kind of used to blend Jab out, and I'm just gonna kind of blend this together just a little bit better. The next shade I'm going to go into is that blue Bacchanal shade, and I'm going to place this on the inner kind of portion of my eye. Kind of like a cut crease a little bit, which that's kind of the way I shaped the gray. have the blue shade kind of put where I want it, I'm gonna go in with a little bit more of Jab Jab and just kind of deepen the crease just slightly. To take this shade right here, Soca, and I'm going to put it right next to kind of that blue shade. Now that I've done that part, we're gonna remove the tape. Ready, set, go! Yay! That's my favorite part when I use tape, is taking it off. Ooh, it's kind of like a dark Easter egg. I kind of like it. Okay, but I'm still not done. So now what I'm gonna go ahead and do is do a winged eyeliner using my Stila Stay All Day waterproof liquid eyeliner. So now that my eyeliner is done, the next thing I'm gonna go ahead and do, so I've been using this little Lancome mascara base for like enhancing my eyelashes, and I really am liking it. I don't know that I necessarily need to use the Lancome one to get this to work, but I've been liking it, so I've been using it. Okay, so now that that is on, I'm going to be using the It Superhero Mascara. I freaking love this stuff, you guys. I know. Why do I like an expensive mascara? Because I like all expensive things. That's a fact. I really hope this is translating over to camera like it is on my face. Pretty. Okay, so next I have the inner corner and my lower lash line, and for that I'm going to use the Calypso shade. I'm just gonna take this, I'm actually using a paintbrush for this, you guys, and I'm going to pop it heavily into my inner corner. because I don't feel like my eye looks are complete without a little bit of black eyeliner in my waterline. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm only taking it about 3/4 of the way across. Because that's how I like to do my eyes. So I picked 2 different lipsticks here, but I think I'm gonna go with this Stila one. This is the Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick, and this is in Patina Shimmer. Yeah, it's a metallic lip, you guys. Well, there you have it. There is the final look. You guys will have to let me know if this is a look you would ever attempt to do. It's okay if it's not. I thought I'd try something different and kind of play around with things, and I made like a gothy Easter egg on my eyes, and I'm totally okay with it. But I do really like this lip. You guys will have to let me know what you think of that down below in the comments. Please go check out Chelsea's channel. Again, her channel and her video will be listed in the description box down below. I can't wait to see what she creates, and I hope you guys are just as excited about that as I am. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I do hope that you have a wonderful day, night, wherever you are. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and bye!